Hormone replacement products for sale. Chapter 1. Hormone replacement products to help deal with menopause. Hormone replacement therapy with a Dr. vs. Natural HRT products. In general, to increase estrogen in the body as you age, you can go to a doctor or anti-aging clinic to try their conventional estrogen therapy. You can buy supplements, powders and pills to do your own HRT. Try products like soy foods, antioxidants, boron, black cohosh, chaste tree berry, dandelion root, donkey, ginkgo biloba, and licorice root. To increase progesterone, try conventional progesterone, natural progesterone products in health food stores, antioxidants, fiber, minerals, ginkgo biloba, vitamins, and folic acid. There is no one standard HRT that works for everybody. You have to experiment with the different available drugs to find what works for you. Hormone replacement therapy information. Most natural hormones are made out of soybean, Mexican wild yam and pregnant mare's urine. There are synthetic chemically made hormones on the market. Ask your local pharmacist or doctor about these drugs, many of which are by prescription. Herbs that help produce estrogen are basil, blue cohosh, black currant, licorice, raspberry leaf, and sage. Herbs that produce progesterone in the body are chaste tree / vitex, sarsaparilla, tansy, and wild yam root. Some of the major HRT drugs are Berlax, Climera, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Megace, Carnic, Amen, Ciagygi, Estroderm, Vivel, Mead Johnson, Estrace, Estrace cream, Ortho EST, Park Davis, Fempatch, Schering Plow, Prometrium, SmithKline Beecham, Menist, Solvay, Estratab, Estratest, Upjohn, Ogen, Estradiol, Provera, Wyeth Ayerst, Premarin, Agestin, Cycrin, Prempro, Premphase. The two big HRT organizations. Alliance for Pharmacy Compounding. A4pc.org. Referral to local pharmacist who prepares natural hormones mixes. Professional Compounding Centers of America. 800-331-2498. Fax, 800-874-5760. pccarks.com. Hormone replacement therapy HRT information websites. ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/hormone_replacement_therapy. nhs.uk/medicines/hormone-replacement-therapy. my.clevelandclinic.org. fda.gov/menopause medicines help you. balance-menopause.com. earlymenopause.com. theconversation.com, HRT. nhmenopausesociety.org. webmd.com, menopause. whgchicago.com/hormone-replacement. balance-menopause.com. Natural hormone replacement therapy HRT product websites. Black cohosh is considered the big HRT herb. You can buy black cohosh pills in most health food stores. herbselfcare.com/replacement-hormone-therapy.htm. 1-menopause.com, menopause gone in 24 HRS. HRTnaturalAlternatives.com. menopause-natural.com. HRTproductsinc.com. bestproducts.com. medzeno.com. whgchicago.com/hormone-replacement. store.happymammoth.com. HRTtacticalgear.com. myalloy.com. wellsprings-health.com. theramex.com/products. HRTproductsinc.com. emersonecologics.com, 800-654-4432. enzy.com, 800-783-3333. 2286, Dong K. HeinzmannFarms.com, 888-333-5813, Flax. HormoneDeception.com. KarunaHealth.com, 800-826-7225, Progesterone Cream. MartKBio.com, 800-662-6339. NaturalWoman.org, 888-489-6626. RevivalFarm.com, 800-500-8053. RevivalZoe.com, 800-500-8053. Salivatist.com. SaniCedroPharmacy.com. Transitionsforhealth.com, 800-888-6814. Usana.com, 888-953-9595. ApexEnergetics.com, 800-736-4381. Apathy Cure. Dallas, TX. 800-969-6601. ApoTheCure.com. SaberSciences.com. 888-490-7300. Compounding Pharmacy Products for Sale. BelmarPharmaSolutions.com. GSDL.com. 800-522-4762. Great Smokies Diagnostic Lab. HRTDoctor.com. 800-631-7900. Wellness, Health, and Pharmaceuticals. 2800 South 18th Street. Birmingham, AL 35209-2510. 800-227-2627. WellnessHealth.com. Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy/BHRT. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is a blend of holistic substances that allegedly come close to the natural female hormones in the body. 1-menopause.com. AboutHormones.org. College Pharmacy. 3505 Austin Bluffs Parkway. Number 101. Colorado Springs, Colorado 80918. 800-888-9358. collegepharmacy.com. Compounded Solutions in Pharmacy, LLC. 179 Main Street, Monroe, Connecticut 06468. 203-268-4964. CompoundedSolutions.com. Pine Pharmacy. 1806 Pine Avenue, Niagara Falls, New York 14301. 800-355-1112. PinePharmacy.com. Stokes Pharmacy. 639 Stokes Road, Medford, New Jersey 08055. 800-754-5222. StokesRx.com. Chapter 2. Common HRT drugs. Estrogen, oral. Senestin, generic name synthetic conjugated estrogens. Estrase, generic name 17-beta-estradiol. Estratab, generic name esterified estrogen. Menest, oral, generic name esterified estrogen. Ogen, generic name estropipate. Ortho-EST, generic name estropipate. Premarin, generic name conjugated equine estrogen. Estrogen, transdermal, skin patches. Alora, Climera, Estroderm, Fempatch, Vivel. The generic name for all of these is 17-beta-estradiol. Estrogen, vaginal cream. Estrase vaginal cream 0.01%. Estring vaginal ring. Orthodionestrol cream, generic name synthetic nonsteroidal estrogen. Progestins, oral. Amen, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Agestin, generic name norethindrone. Cycrin, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Provera, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Prometrium, generic name micronized progesterone. Progestins, vaginal cream. Compounded micronized progesterone vaginal suppositories, generic name micronized progesterone. Estrogen/progestin combinations. Com-B patch, transdermal patch, generic name 17-beta-estradiol/norethindrone acetate. Orthoprefaced, oral, generic name estradiol/norgestimate. Prem-phase, oral, generic name conjugated equine estrogen medroxyprogesterone acetate. Prempo, oral, generic name conjugated equine estrogen medroxyprogesterone acetate. The major drugs used for testosterone and estrogen therapy most often used to enhance sex drive are Estratest, oral. Generic name esterified estrogen, methyltestosterone. Estratest HL, oral. Generic name esterified estrogen, methyltestosterone. Depotestosterone, injectable, generic name testosterone cypionate. Depotestadiol, injectable, generic name testosterone cypionate and estradiol cypionate. Delatostril, injectable, generic name testosterone enanthate.